Abdullah ibn Mubarak, may Allah have mercy on him, was a profound scholar. Once he visited Syria and people gathered around him. In the midst of people's questions and requests to him, one person requested that a supplication be given in writing. Abdullah ibn Mubarak borrowed a pen from the person standing nearby and wrote down the supplication, but he forgot to return the pen to its owner. Afterwards, he travelled all the way back to his home. Only upon reaching a city very far called Marw in Turkmenistan, he was distressed to discover that he had not returned the pen to its owner. He didn't think twice. He journeyed for months in the desert back to Syria. He found the owner of the pen and handed it over with an apology. Through this incident, Abdullah ibn Mubarak showed the vigilance we must have regarding the things entrusted to us. Islam teaches us the absolute necessity to carefully guard the amana and that we should always return borrowed items to their owners. Our character blemishes when we lack this quality. This vigilance over the amana is a symbol of taqwa and the etiquette of a virtuous heart.